Hello and welcome. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to see how those essential back-to-school items, notebooks, are made. We're visiting a small unit that manufactures school notebooks, a place filled with the whirring of machinery and the smell of fresh paper. Come along as we explore the fascinating and often overlooked process. First, let's look at the paper ruling machine. This is where the blank paper gets its lines. The machine feeds large sheets of paper through, precisely marking them with horizontal and vertical lines. These lines can be for different kinds of notebooks, such as for writing, with standard ruled lines, or for math, with the specific grid patterns needed for mathematical equations, depending on the need. The machine's versatility is remarkable, capable of switching between different line styles to meet diverse requirements. The speed and precision of this machine are amazing, turning out hundreds of sheets in just minutes. After ruling, the paper is then precisely cut to the correct size for the notebooks, ready for the next stage of production. Next, the lined and cut paper heads over to the stitching machine. This machine takes the stacks of paper and binds them together to form the notebook's pages. A strong thread, often made of durable materials to withstand frequent use, is used to sew the pages securely, preventing them from falling out. The stitching process is crucial for the notebook's durability. The neatness of the stitching also influences the notebook's quality and its ability to withstand regular handling. You'll see how quickly these machines work, creating multiple notebooks at a time, each one a testament to efficiency. Finally, we arrive at the cover printing stage. Here, the covers get their designs. The covers go through a high-speed printing process, often using advanced printing technologies to ensure sharp and vibrant images. They receive their colors, graphics, and any additional information, like the notebook's size, page count, and sometimes, even the school's name or logo. The printing machines ensure the covers are vibrant and eye-catching, ready to make any notebook stand out on a shelf. The quality of the cover design significantly impacts the perceived value and appeal of the notebook. Now, let's discuss the demand. Schools often have a seasonal demand for notebooks, directly tied to the academic calendar. As the school year begins, typically around late summer or early fall, the demand for notebooks increases dramatically. This means the small manufacturing units are very busy during these periods. Operating at full capacity, they work hard to keep up with the demand, ensuring that students have the supplies they need for their studies, ready to start the school year fully equipped. This high volume period is crucial for the business, as a large portion of the year's revenue comes from this single season, driving their operations throughout the year. And that's it, from blank paper to finished notebooks. The process involves several carefully coordinated steps, all geared toward delivering quality products to students. We hope you enjoyed this peek into the world of notebook manufacturing. It's a fascinating look at how these everyday essentials are made, and the dedication involved in providing them.